ERP Cloud Toolbox product definition module makes managing trading partners, trading partner items, and their relationships with inventory items easy. You can do them all in one spreadsheet. Let's see it in action. In this example, we'll create a manufacturing trading partner and an item. We can enter the details directly into the sheet, maybe taking advantage of Excel features like formulas. And we'll also add some items for existing partners, and it's easy when we copy and paste data in from our external source document. Here we have trading partner items referenced to the items in our inventory. And we can add attachments. With the data forms, we can also select attachments from the file system. We can also put in default values to let the toolbox do our data entry for us. And when we're ready, we just click the upload and send everything up to Oracle. The uploads happen instantaneously and we see our results. Where errors occur, the messaging is clear and it's easy to correct the problem. We can do it in the sheet, but we also have data forms to help us choose the valid values and the controls. And we send the corrections back. We can also maintain that information. We'll download that partner's items and make some changes. So we might update the item description or delete the relationship from our inventory item, remove our default actions, and send the changes back. So easy. And now the tool lets you do everything in one place and in one easy step. There's a whole host of other great features in the product definition module, and you can find out more by going to our website or reaching out to a More4apps sales rep.